Hey everyone, what up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am going to be doing a makeup tutorial on how to create this look right here. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Let's get started. I am pretty much done with most of my base. I have a little powder on still, as you see. We're using the KKW Classic II palette. Start out with this color here. I think it's called Neutral. Just gonna dust this all over through the crease. Feeling something a little bit winged today. I colored my hair, like just touched up my roots this morning actually. So, you know, excuse the messy hairline. As you guys see, I am making sure I connect this to kind of the front of my brow, also kind of dragging it out towards the tail of the brow as well. I'm gonna dip into Manifest. Nice chestnut brown, and this is gonna go in our outer corner. Really big fluffy brush makes it super easy and quick to apply. I'm liking where this is at. Flatter brush, I am gonna pick up some of Gravity. Just gonna start placing this in the outer portion here. Stay away from the inner third, basically. Take our blending brush and just kind of mesh everything so it's softer. Pick up the gold color called Solar. This is gonna go on the inner third of the eye here. Make sure it goes into this little section here. When I do that, I feel like it opens my eye up a little bit, and then I'm just gonna kind of pull it and blend it with my finger. This color, it's not like brassy, if that makes sense. Really pretty true gold. Dipping back into Manifest. I love how these shadows go on. They are just gorgeous. In the outer corner, I'm careful to pull it up and connect it to the eyeshadow on top. Sometimes it helps if you stamp it on first to get the pigment and then blend, so it kind of stops you from having that like hot mess going on and you have to go back and clean up. That just kind of keeps it. Kalani. He's being a whiny boy right now because I'm not paying attention to him. Where was I? It just prevents you from having a lot of fallout and having to go and like clean things up, basically. I'm actually gonna dip back into the gold with the flat brush that we put it up here with, and I'm just gonna kind of pull it on the same inner third here, just a little hint of it. Let's take our blending brush one more time and just kind of retouch up the crease here. Make sure everything looks good. I'm taking an angled liner brush. We're gonna dip into Terrain. What I'm gonna do is stamp this on my lash line starting in the outer corner. When I get to the center, I flip the brush so that the point is towards the inner portion, and same thing. I'm just gonna kind of smudge it and wing it out. Kind of going back and forth, building this up how I want it. I'm gonna take, this is my NUDE STIX Magnetic Luminous Eye Color in Immortal. It's just a big chunky eye pencil, and I'm just gonna put that in my waterline. I'm gonna put on mascara. Today I'm using my Lilly Lashes Triple X mascara. This stuff has really been growing on me. At first I didn't really like it, but I think with a lot of makeup products, you know, it's like the more you use it, the more you kind of figure out like how to apply it that works for you. I love this little splash of gold moment that's going on. It's so pretty. I'm gonna do Ardell Demi Wispies. I bought like a huge pack. This is the last one left. But just so you guys can see, they're this really pretty kind of winged out version of the Wispies. They're super light. Just gonna trim them down to fit my eye shape. I have to buy a new pack of these. While that's drying, I'm gonna dust off any of the remaining powder. Do a little highlight action. I'm going to use my Dose of Colors Desi Katy in Fuego. Yes, I use this all the time. Is it one of my favorites? Yes. Kind of reminds me of the MAC Soft and Gentle. I don't know if any of you guys remember that, but That used to be like everywhere, and that was my jam. That was actually one of the first, I think that was the first highlight I ever bought. Crazy! And we'll do the inner corner with that as well. And the brow bone. Pop mine. Actually, after I put my lashes on, I do like to go in and do a second coat of mascara, mostly on the lower lashes, and I'll tell you why. This is my theory. I feel like when your lashes have mascara on them that have been dried already, but not all the way dry, it keeps it kind of tacky and it almost pulls on more product. I love a good chunky lower lash. I know it's not for everybody, but it's just what I like. See the difference between the two? Like this looks way more full, way more volume. With the end of the mascara wand, I like to do the inner corner of my upper lashes. I feel like it helps blend the falsies. I'm gonna take my MAC lip pencil in Cork. I'm gonna shade in the sides and kind of trace through my upper lip, and then I'll just take my finger and buff it out. Dose of Colors Liquid Matte in Supernatural. Blot them together and then dot it out. Honestly guys, I can't stop wearing, this is the Artist Couture Diamond Lip Tease in Le Freak. I can't stop wearing it ever since I bought it. It's just so pretty. I'm just gonna take my brush that I did my bronzer with, and any extra bronzer, I'm just kind of like pulling it in the outer edge and connecting the eyeshadow up into my temple. Jamie Genevieve, I learned this trick from her, and I feel like it just really helps like lift. Set our face with Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Gonna get rid of these clips. Alright, you guys, here is a close-up of the makeup. What do you guys think? How like soft and pretty. Just look like a little dreamy donut. It's soft, pretty, and it's just like really wearable. Full glam, but still approachable. Some of you guys have been asking me in the comments to do more tutorials using the KKW Classic II palette. I wanted to just show you more ways you can use it. You know, if you bought the palette, it obviously is an investment. I really am enjoying showing you guys that there's lots of ways to wear this, to use it. Honestly, really versatile. So if you have any other video requests, please by all means let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this tutorial by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, please be sure to support me as a creator by subscribing to my channel. It's honestly the biggest thing you can do, and it really supports me and helps me out, and it means a lot. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!